Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS07. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you have this problem, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to fix it. So first of all, go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or to Google Play if you have an Android. Next enter the Snapchat and select it. As you can see, I can immediately open the applications because I have the latest version installed, which no longer has this error. If you have an update button, then click it and update your Snapchat. After that, go to the application and check if your problem has already been solved. If not, then go to the phone settings and select General. Then find iPhone storage. Android also has data storage. Then scroll down and select Snapchat. All we need to do is click offload app and then click on the same button again to download the data. After that, go to Snapchat and check if it helped. If not, then go back to the settings and click delete application. After that, go to the App Store and download it again. Then we check and your applications should work well. You can also try restarting your phone. This may also help solve your problem. These are the only ways it is possible that Snapchat is correctly crashing and administrators are solving this problem. So you can wait a while. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.